Hey homies! So today, papakita ko sa inyo yung godchildren tracker ko sa Notion. Ginawa ko to initially like as a guilty ninang, hindi ko talaga natatrack yung age. Let me show you how this works. It's super simple actually. Dito you'll see yung names ng mga inaanak ko, plus yung birthday nila, and then yung age nila. Let's add in yung inaanak named Ben for example, and then sabihin na natin na ang birthday niya is March 13 last year. So, automatically, magkakaroon siya ng age na 1-year-old. Gawin kong 2022, ayan, magiging 2 years old na siya. Another feature na in-add ko dito bilang stalker ako na ninang, nilista ko yung mga interests nila that I spot sa mga social media nila, or even if pag nagkukwentuhan kami ng mom niya na, mahilig na pala sa ganito. So, para sa next time na I want to buy them something or I want to start ako ng conversation, kahit papano, updated ako sa mga latest happenings sa buhay nila. So, in a way, this does not just work for gift giving, but also in building a relationship with my godchildren. Bring harmony at home with virtual systems. FYI!